Hello everyone, welcome to Super Kalam. I am your mentor and teacher Arpita Sharma, and you must be looking at this question paper on your screen. This is Mains UPSC Mains 2023 question paper, and this is going to be really important. Why? Because in today's session, I'm going to help you not just understand how to approach ethics. ये ethics का question paper है, GS paper 4, because this is the most neglected part in UPSC preparation by students. बट इट इज द गोल्ड माइन फॉर यूपीएससी स्टूडेंट्स इन मेंस. इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस अगर आप समझ गए तो दिस 250 मार्क्स विल सीम वेरी इजी टू अचीव, राइट, और टू अटेम्प्ट. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. एथिक्स का पेपर है. वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. मतलब आई एम गोइंग टू मेक श्योर फ्रॉम माय एंड दैट द फियर ऑफ एथिक्स शुड बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम योर माइंड. आपको ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि अरे आंसर राइटिंग एथिक्स बहुत टफ है, कैसे करें, कहाँ से करें. ये दिक्कत आपकी इस सेशन में खत्म कर देंगे. वील सॉल्व फ्यू क्वेश्चंस आल्सो लाइव इन द सेशन. वील गेट देम इवैल्यूएटेड आल्सो लाइव. ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू होमवर्क एज वेल. मैं आपको होमवर्क भी देने वाली हूँ सेशन में, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. ओके, नाउ and you will have to share with me in the comment section once you complete your homework. एक बार homework हो जाए फिर आप मुझे comment section में बता देना, ठीक है. चलो, before we start this session I was going through the modules that we use in our ethics class. हम अपने ethics की class में we have a focus batch where myself, then we have three other mentors, Madhur sir, Kajal ma'am, Shweta ma'am, who have given UPSC interview, and we provide the complete GS foundation mentorship to all our students. Batch बहुत छोटा रहता है, and if you are interested in mentorship from us and covering your GS foundation with us in our focus batch, there is a form given in the description box and in the comment section. You can fill it out. Okay, so I was going through this module while teaching in the focus batch. Module 6 हमारा probity का module है. Probity पढ़ा रही थी मैं, and that's when I was teaching I also mentioned UPSC's previous year questions, because I always solve UPSC's previous year questions in our modules. So when I was going through the module, I started explaining and teaching probity, and with that I also came across the UPSC 2023 question paper, where there was a very interesting question on probity. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पर, probity is essential for an effective system of governance and socio-economic development, discuss. ये क्वेश्चन था. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन आया ऑफ 10 मार्क्स, 150 वर्ड्स, दैट मीन्स 1.5 पेज में आंसर लिखना है. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड सॉल्विंग दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. नाउ व्हेनेवर यू कम अक्रॉस एनी टॉपिक while you are studying a chapter, make sure you first understand the meaning of that topic. For example, if we are studying probity today, आप ethics में probity पढ़ रहे हो आज, first understand what exactly is probity. So first let us understand what exactly is probity. This is how we also study in our batches. तो probity क्या है पहले वो समझते हैं with simple examples, and then we'll solve this question. When we talk about probity, you can take out your register. एक तरीके की आपकी ethics की एक small testing class हो गई, right? When we talk about probity, it means honesty. You must have heard about these terms. It means integrity, and it means uprightness. Write it down. It also means uprightness. But where ये सारे terms कहाँ use होते हैं? Honesty, integrity, uprightness, where? In public life. Write it down. In public life, especially in decision making. So write it down. Especially in decision making, we use these terms. Decision making, honesty, integrity, uprightness in public life, especially decision making. This is probity. So basically probity ensures, it ensures that the public officials, they are acting fairly, they are acting fairly, they are acting ethically, and they are acting without any bias or without corruption. That is the meaning of probity. Probity means honesty, integrity, uprightness, HIU, in their public life, especially during decision making, and it makes sure that public officials or civil servants, they are acting fairly, ethically, and without any bias or corruption. That is the entire definition of probity. Through mind maps we have covered it. हमने mind maps के through ही cover कर लिया. So in simple terms you can say probity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching you. This is very interesting. Write it down. Doing the right thing even when no one is watching you. तो आपने ये एक बॉक्स भी यहाँ पर बना लिया. Okay, now what are the key elements in probity? We have understood the definition of probity, but there are certain key elements that you must understand. एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर देम. ये स्ट्रक्चर है आंसर का आपका. Whenever I teach ethics in our classes, this is the structure that I follow. So here, integrity is the first element. What is the meaning of integrity? Being honest and being morally strong. That is integrity. Transparency. What is transparency? Your actions and decisions are open to scrutiny. That is transparency. You are transparent. Objectivity. Decisions are based on facts. Decisions are not based on favoritism. They are based on raw facts. Accountability. Being answerable for one's actions. And fairness, treating everyone equally and without any kind of discrimination. That is fairness. So these are the key elements in probity: integrity, transparency, objectivity, accountability and fairness. ये आपको याद रखना है. You can also support them with your day to day life examples. Simple एक example लेते हैं. Let's say that you can imagine a government officer who has to award a contract for building a, let's say, village school. ठीक है, मान लो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर है एंड ही हैज टू अवार्ड अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ही हैज टू गिव अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉर बिल्डिंग अ विलेज स्कूल. ये गांव का एक स्कूल है, विलेज स्कूल है. ओके, नाउ देयर आर टू केसेस. ही कैन डू दैट इन टू विद टू सिनेरियोज. फर्स्ट इज विद प्रोबिटी, सेकंड इज विदाउट प्रोबिटी. तो फर्स्ट केस ले लेते हैं विद प्रोबिटी. ओके, फर्स्ट केस विद प्रोबिटी. विद प्रोबिटी में लेट्स से द ऑफिसर ही follows the rules. He invites, write it down, he invites the fair tenders. He checks all proposals objectively, and then he gives the contract to the qualified bidder. Contract to qualified bidder at the best price. That is the step he will take with probity. Now if he'll take a step without probity, how will it look like? So he, write it down, gives the contract to his cousin's company, even though he knows that the cousin's company is expensive, it has a poor track record, and he hides this from the public. That is the case without probity. So write it down, without probity. ठीक है, ये second scenario हो गया. Now why is probity important here? Looking at these two cases, why is probity important? Because probity helps a person to build public trust. Probity helps a person to prevent corruption. It ensures efficient usage of public funds, and also it strengthens the democratic values. That is why probity is important. इसीलिए important है. So in one line, probity is the moral compass of public administration. I will write it down. Probity is a moral compass of public administration. Okay, point clear हो गया. These are important lines. You can write it down. In the batch also I share these kind of lines with our students so that they can enrich their answers. Now coming to this question, अब इस 2023 के क्वेश्चन पे आ जाते हैं and let's answer this. ठीक है, इसको आंसर करते हैं. Probity is essential for an effective system of governance and socio-economic development. Discuss. Now you can answer. Let's structure it. So this is the question. ठीक है, so this is the question. All right, let us answer it. Now here, first of all the questions, whenever you are writing an answer, make sure that you are following this flow: introduction, body and conclusion. इस flow को follow करना है आपको. ठीक है, intro, body, conclusion. Now in the introduction you will write the definition. First you will explain what is probity, define probity, what is probity. We have understood through a very nice फ्लो चार्ट. हमने एक फ्लो चार्ट के थ्रू यहाँ पर काफी अच्छे से समझ लिया व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज प्रोबिटी. प्रोबिटी रेफर्स टू adherence to ethical and moral values such as honesty, integrity, objectivity, transparency or fairness, etc. in public life, or you can say such as honesty, integrity and uprightness in public life, especially decision making, to ensure that public officials are functioning ethically and fairly. इस तरीके से you can define probity here. तो हमने first part कर लिया. In 4 lines we have defined, 4 to 5 lines में हमने probity को define कर लिया. Okay. Now question is saying, the statement is saying probity is essential for effective system of governance and socio-economic development. You have to prove it. First you have to prove why it is efficient for the effective system of governance. पहले आपको, this is part A. Then why it is important for social development, this is part B. You have to answer them. So in the body of the answer, we will write the heading probity is essential for effective governance. Effective governance. This is the heading that we will give. Okay, अब इस heading के अंदर सब headings होंगी. First sub heading would be in because it ensures transparency. The key elements that we discussed, it ensures transparency and accountability. हम वो key elements यहाँ पर mention करेंगे. How will you explain? Because it prevents misuse of power, misuse of public resources. You can give example with every point. You give examples. यहाँ पर क्या example दे सकते हो? RTI Act का example दे सकते हो because it basically promotes probity, right? Then second यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा point? The second point over here, always remember example के साथ support your points. It reduces corruption. It reduces corruption. Ethical conduct by public officials or civil servants. It reduces scope for biasedness. Okay, तो digitization of services. You can give example. यहाँ पर आप दे दोगे RTI Act. यहाँ पर आप दे दोगे digitization of services. ठीक है, like DBT, direct benefit transfer. Third point आ जाएगा, it helps to build public trust. Okay, example, probity in public procurement ensures public confidence in developmental phases or developmental activities. अब ये हो गए 3 points to prove this particular line. Second line, socio-economic development, उसमें क्या करेंगे? तो write it down. Probity is essential for socio development activities. ठीक है, अब इसमें what will be the sub points? Write it down. Efficient usage of public funds. Efficient use of public fund. इसमें आप क्या example दे सकते हो? Example can be मनरेगा. Okay. Second point, it encourages investment and economic growth. ठीक है, example can be, you can give examples, countries with you can say high integrity scores, like जैसे कि Nordic countries हो जाती हैं, और countries which have high ranks in HDI, Human Development Index. Okay, and third point क्या हो जाएगा? It helps in uplifting marginalized sections. ठीक है, तो ये एक सेक्ट आपका थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हो जाएगा. एथिकल ब्यूरोक्रेसी का आप इसमें एग्जांपल दे सकते हो. ऑलराइट, नाउ कम्स द कंक्लूजन. अब कंक्लूजन में क्या करोगे? कंक्लूजन इज लाइक द समेशन ऑफ व्हाट यू हैव एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द आंसर in the introduction and body. So you will write over here, probity is not just a moral ideal but also a practical necessity for governance. ठीक है, या तो आप यहाँ छोड़ सकते हो बिकॉज इट्स अ 10 मार्कर क्वेश्चन, 1.5 पेजेस आपको लिखना है, और यू कैन यूज दीज काइंड ऑफ quotes and statements that I have shared. Probity is a moral compass for public administration. It means doing the right thing even when no one is watching you, etc. This is how you can complete your answer. इस तरीके से आप अपने आंसर को complete कर सकते हो. Now here the best part is whenever I explain these things and then I give them the assignments. Focus batch में जब मैं assignment देती हूँ, तो the best part is now you have Super Kalam with you. You go to mains evaluation and you click on start evaluation. मैं एक sample answer आपको evaluate करके दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है, I'll just help you understand how to get your answer evaluated, because focus batch में क्या होता है, we use Super Kalam, the students use my help also in getting their answers evaluated. But if you are not in the batch, you still want to get your answers evaluated, you have Super Kalam with you. Submit किया आपने, I'll show you the best part of getting your answers evaluated instantly. एक तो देखो within seconds you are getting your answers evaluated. ठीक है, सेकंड्स में आपके आंसर इवैल्यूएट हो रहे हैं. एंड इन द इवैल्यूएशन यू गेट योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस. आपको पता चलता है कि आपकी कमजोरी और आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट कौन सा है. दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर गेटिंग आंसर इवैल्यूएटेड विद सुपर कलाम. सो दिस इज हाउ द एंटायर आंसर इज इवैल्यूएटेड एंड यू गेट योर स्कोर्स विद मॉडल आंसर ऑल्सो. तो मॉडल आंसर भी मिल रहा है, स्कोर भी, एंड यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स एंड वीक पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो वाइल आंसर राइटिंग. राइट, तो अब आपको क्या करना है, यू अटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन आफ्टर दिस सेशन, गेट योर आंसर इवैल्यूएटेड बाय सुपर कलाम एंड टेल मी योर स्कोर्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. see, I am taking these classes, I am putting in my hard work, my efforts in the session. I also want to know that you are doing the same. अगर आप सेशन को यहाँ तक देख रहे हो तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप उतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो या नहीं. I want to know your scores in this question. Okay, so attempt it, get it evaluated, let me know your scores.